In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a row based on cell value in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a small personal finance tracker or overseeing a large team project, filtering data effectively can help you better analyze and visualize the information at hand. Sometimes you might want to hide rows that don't meet specific criteria, and I'll show you how to do just that. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one already open, go ahead and navigate to your Google Drive and select the desired spreadsheet. Having your document open in front of you, ready to go, will make following these steps a breeze. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to cell A1. Clicking on this cell will allow us to choose which data we want to apply our filter to. Generally, you'll want to select the cell at the top of the column containing your data to make sure the entire column is included in the filtering process. Next, look towards the top of your screen and find the Data menu option. Click on it. This menu presents a range of useful features for managing and analyzing your data. Today, we are particularly interested in the option titled Create a Filter. Go ahead and click on Create a Filter. When you do this, you might notice that small funnel icons appear next to the headers in your spreadsheet. These are filter icons, and they will enable you to hide rows that don't meet the conditions we specify. Now, click on one of these filter icons, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Filter by Condition. This action is a key part of setting criteria to hide rows that do not meet your particular needs. Once you've accessed the Filter by Condition menu, another submenu will appear. Here, look for the option labeled Greater Than and click on it. This is where you set the condition that determines which rows will be visible and which will be hidden based on the data in the cells. In the field that appears, you should enter the number 700. By doing this, you establish that only the rows with values greater than 700 will be displayed. This filter hides all rows with a value of 700 or less, effectively streamlining your view of the data. Once you type in 700, confirm your setting by clicking on the OK button. This action will apply the filter, and you'll immediately see your spreadsheet displaying only the rows where the cells contain values greater than 700. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide rows in Google Sheets based on a cell value. This approach can be adapted to meet various data needs, so feel free to adjust the conditions and numbers as required. Thank you for watching, and happy data filtering.